Hello YouTube. So if you hear some background music or sound, it's not really music, that would be why. I got a fireplace going on my phone for just some background sound. Plus I like fire. I'm a pyromaniac, not really. Anyway, so we're going to be doing some cooking. So there's my new wave and some of the stuff that I'm going to be using. I'm going to reset you up on my tripod. And let's do a cooking type video, I guess. First things first, I do need to grab my standard knife that I use. My face is cut off. My knife that I use for cooking, but I did get another knife. I got the SE6, so I'll be doing a video on this. I'm liking it, but I don't need a knife this size. And then another knife that I have is right over here. It's a Crombit. Another really cool knife. I might do a video on that one. But we're going to be using my SC Luza. I have no idea how you pronounce that. I've had this knife for a long time. I love it. Anyway, so I'm going to be using my little tin pot, and we're going to be making some cheddar broccoli soup. You're supposed to use this whole thing. You pour it in and makes a half gallon worth of soup. I don't have a container big enough for a half container, and I'm not going to make a half container, so we're just going to kind of figure it out on our way. I forgot the water. It's inside my cooler. And then to go with dinner tonight, I got some Hawaiian rolls. These are really quite good. I like them. So, alright. Oh, you can't even see my cook stuff. Okay. I guess I will tilt you guys down to look at the pot. And we'll kind of go. I need two cameras. I need one looking at me and one looking at the pot. I guess I could use my phone. Well, never mind. My phone's being used over there. Alright. Oh, that's my empty gallon. So how much soup do I want? I guess that much. I need a spoon. Got a spoon. Alright. So I filled it up to about right there of water. Oh, whoops. Wrong button. Oh. Let's get that cooking. So, let me throw that in there. Alright, let me bring you guys a little bit closer. And tilt you down. So you can see kind of in there. Alright, so you can't see me, but you can see the water. I might fast forward through some of this, I don't know. Anyway, so here's the fresh broccoli I got. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some in. So, no real way of doing this than just doing it. Oh. I forgot to start the thing. Now, I love fresh broccoli. I love broccoli that's cooked. No, fuck, I'll eat that piece. So I don't mind if there's extra broccoli, so to speak. That, and when you eat nothing but fast food, you gotta eat your veggies. That looks like enough. Hello. Alright, so one good thing about this, the surface actually doesn't get hot. Only this does. I just turn up the wattage a little so it gets to cooking a little bit quicker. I'm looking to see what else I got that we can use. I got some of this garlic herb mashed potatoes. I might add a little bit of this to thicken this. I don't know. We'll just kind of see. But really nothing that I could add to this that would make a ton of sense. Ham. If I had ham would be great. Alright, I just want this to get up to a boil before, or yeah, I want to bring this to a boil. Or at least that's what the instructions say. Alright, that water's getting hot. So while that's getting hot, let me grab a paper plate. Now, one thing I will say, in the truck, I don't think you could ever really have too many knives. You'll find a use for them every day. And that's why I like these Essies. They come with a lifetime, no matter what you do, warranty. And I don't get paid to advertise Essie. I just really love their product. And you guys are probably gonna be like, oh no, he gets free knives from them all the time. No, I don't. Hey Essie, I really do like your product though. Send me more stuff. Or, I wish you do. Would. But yeah, so I now own 2 of their knives. I'm bidding on another one on eBay. That's actually how I bought it. Another really stupid one, but this little knife here, it's a Cabela's Texas Chinese something. Oh, it's a buck knife. A little small buck knife. This has actually been kind of handy and helpful sometimes for stupid stuff. Actually holds a decent edge, kind of, not really, doesn't shave, but yeah, it doesn't shave, but it's just a good little knife if you need something small. But it looks like we're boiling now. Yeah, we are. See? Ooh, that's hot. So we're boiling. Can't really see it because the broccoli. but we'll give that a few more seconds because it's not going to hurt anything. And I wouldn't mind if the broccoli softened up a little. And that's why I tasted it. The broccoli hasn't really softened up that much yet. So I'm over here in the Hawaiian bread. I guess it's going to be 4 rolls tonight. And I'll put one back. Make it a three roll night. Alright guys, I think that's boiling. What about you? Alright, so got my rolls to the side. Sweet. I guess we really don't need to worry about mixing that, but we turn it down a little. Alright. I have no idea when enough is enough. But I think we need to turn it down some. Alright, I paused it. That was really foaming up kind of quick, guys. Well, that's kind of thickening up already, guys. Let's get a little bit more in there. A little bit at a time. Remember, we could always add more water and more soup mix. Kind of push that down. And let's add a little bit more. I like it kind of thick, personally. If I had some cheese, adding a little bit of cheese wouldn't be bad. Or ham. Oh, I said ham. All right, let me try it. Perfect. Alright, so that actually came out really good. I haven't made this soup mix before. I like it. So the rest of it, we'll just go in here and I'll make more of it another day. So that's really cheap. Well, this was maybe, I don't know, let's call it $5. I could probably use this another 3 times, so call it $1.50. This bread was like $4 for that, or $5 for that whole packet. I used 3 rolls. There's probably, I don't know, call this $3. So $3 meal, can't complain about that, guys. Oh, I also got some of this chili stuff. I don't know if this is going to be any good, but I'm going to try it. But yeah, alright. Let me set this here. because I'm not done with this hot plate. So got that put up. Oh, he's putting some more wood on. Yeah, that's good and hot. I'm actually going to add a tad bit of cold water to help try to cool it down so I can eat it. Alright. Thank you for watching. Short video on me cooking inside this truck. I haven't really done that many cooking videos, even though I kind of wanted to. But, new year, 2018. I'm going to try to do some more videos because, man, I'm telling you, this fast food stuff, it gets real tiring. Real tiring. I'm going to take this over any of the fast food joints. Hell yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. See y'all on the next one.